Looking for remote work? We Work Remotely connects you with freelance and full-time jobs from companies worldwide. Explore global opportunities, apply for roles, and work from anywhere. It's your gateway to flexible remote careers. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use We Work Remotely. Focuses on remote freelance jobs that include global opportunities. So all I have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into weworkremotely.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So first let's know what is We Work Remotely. So it's an online job board that specializes in connecting individuals with remote job opportunities, including freelance and full-time positions. It features listings from companies worldwide offering roles in various industries such as teach, design, marketing, and customer support. The platform allows job seekers to find flexible work from home opportunities regardless of location. All I have to do right now is just open your browser, as I said, and dive into Work Remotely. So let's just click over here post a job or click over sign in. We have also here other things, find talent, car service, find work, community, jobs as well, and then we have the homepage. So that's it. So right now we have just to click over sign in or click over post a job. Once you click over post a job, you'll find the page which is this one. You have the step that you have to follow, which is the first one: create, preview, purchase as well. Then you have just right now to add job title in the first one to create. For example, your job title, about the category is select if you want to design, full stack, programming, font, and we have also pack and programming, customer support, DevOps and sysadmin, and also management and finance, product, or other remote. Then we have here about this one. Here we have you select the skill, and then we have here is this role open worldwide, salary range, job type, application link or email as well. Then you have job description and you add also other information here, and then you click over continue to step 2. And right now let's just here select the other option which is sign in, and I will just click over sign in here. Then I will just scroll down and I will click over create one here. I will select here if it's here we have find jobs and sign up or hire talent and sign up. So I will just select the first one which is find jobs. I will just here add email, create a password, then I will click over here. This one is for free or the pro one and you have to pay $9 per month. I will select here the first one, alright, and I will add here my email address and my password. Alright, after that you have just right now to post a job by clicking over here, and also we have here if we scroll down the homepage you'll find all other remote jobs latest post about 11 hours ago. Here we have senior automation QA engineer, we have lemon.io, and then we have here a creator on the call systems, and we have a product manager, senior next developer, then we have full stack developer bootcamp, job guaranteed, then we have also here senior Magento developer, senior real and time developer, then we have a senior data, and then we have a various things right now. Also we have related to sales and marketing jobs. So let's just scroll down right now, and let's here we have various jobs as you can see. So we have also product owner, and we have technical, and also we have a top 100 companies, blog, fake and employers, events, and RSS. So let's just come back right now. And here we have also other things that could help you, which is your jobs. You will find here all jobs, programming. About programming, you will find your full stack programming, front end programming, back end programming. Then we have also here design, developers, and sysadmin, management and finance, product. And then we have customer support, sales and marketing, and all other jobs. Then we have community as well, such as we have blog, podcast, remote work trends, events. Then we have your find work, top 100 remote companies, top remote for job searches, advanced job search, fake job seekers, feed remote work resources. Then we have cars or car services. Then we have find talent, remote hiring guide, hire remote software developers, why choose WWR, fake employers, bundle pricing, and then we have if you want to search for something you click over here and you start searching, And that's it for this one. So here we have we work remotely for over a decade. WWR has been the #1 destination to find and list incredible remote jobs. We're home to the largest remote work community in the world with far the 5 million visitors. I will just click over post job for 299, and then we have the steps that you have to follow, and that's it for this one. Then you just move to the next step, and we have here three steps. The first one, create, preview, and purchase, which is the largest remote community on the web. So to use we work remotely, sign up on the website and browse job lists in categories like niche marketing or customer support. Filter results based on your skills and interests and apply directly to remote positions that match your experience. Once you find a job, you can work from anywhere, enjoying the flexibility of remote work opportunities from companies worldwide as well. So that's it right now for this platform. So we work remotely is a great platform for finding flexible remote job opportunities across the globe. Whether you are seeking freelance work or full-time position, it connects you with companies offering remote roles in various industries. It's a convenient way to access a wide range of global job options, all from the comfort of your home. So for example, let's just select in this one and let's discover together. You have a remote senior automation QA engineer. We have here full time, all other remote Latin America, only Java, Python, quality assurance. I will click for example of quality assurance, and you'll find it here. We have like that senior automation QA engineer, full time Latin America, and here we have also the jobs. If we come back, for example, I will search for other thing. For example, back-end programming jobs, I will select, for example, this one, full-time, back-end programming anywhere, and you have what will the role involve, what are we looking for, our benefits, don't meet every single requirements, and you click over apply for this position, and then you find the page, which is this one. Here we have the remote, location, type full-time, department we have engineering. Overview here, application as well. So we have just type the name, email, resume. You can just upload file. Why are you interested in China Primer? Why are you interested in China Primer again? What are your salary expectation and the various things? So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.